Welcome to Habis TV. You are watching National News. I am Shashira. Andhra Pradesh is actively trying to attract Tesla to set up an electric vehicle factory in the southern region of the state. The state's Economic Development Board is offering advantages such as good port access and ample land. Talks with Tesla began in October 2024 when Minister Nara Lokesh met Tesla CFO in the US. After Prime Minister Narendra Modi meeting with Elon Musk and Tesla's increased hiring in India, Andhra Pradesh is intensifying its efforts to bring Tesla to the state. The state is also emphasizing that most EV car sales in India come from the southern states, so it would make sense for Tesla to set up a factory there. About 60% of EV car sales in India happen in Kerala, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. India's economy is expected to grow faster in the third quarter of the financial year 2024-25, with GDP growth predicted to be 6.2%, up from 5.4% in the second quarter. According to a report by Union Bank of India, the report suggests that the gap between GDP and gross value added growth seen in the first quarter of financial year 2025 is likely to happen disappeared in third quarter financial year 2025. However, the report also notes a difference between the growth of net indirect taxes in GDP data and fiscal data. This could be a concern because if net indirect taxes continue to decline, it might lead to a negative gap between GDP and GVA growth in third quarter financial year 2025. Along with third quarter financial year 2025 GDP data, the government will also release the second advance estimate for the full year GDP of financial year 2025. Union Power Minister Manohar Lal urged industry leaders to create innovative solutions to support India's goal of becoming a Viksit Bharat. He highlighted the opportunity created by India's largest of 500 GW of renewable energy by 2030. Speaking at the El Crema 2025 event in the Greater Noida, he emphasized the importance of the power sector in India's growth and asked stakeholders to help make it a key driver for the economy. He also mentioned the need for advanced technology like smart grids, efficient transformers and power converter to improve power production. Union Petroleum and Natural Gas Minister Hardeep Singh Puri stated that as more oil becomes available in the global market, including from the USA, energy prices are expected to fall, which will help reduce inflation. Speaking at a press conference, he expressed confidence that India has built strong ties with the new US administration under President Donald Trump, and the energy relationship between the two countries will grow stronger. The Reserve Bank of India has shared information about sovereign gold bonds that can be redeemed early between April and September 2025. These bonds allow people to invest in gold digitally and earn interest. Investors can redeem the bonds after 5 years from the issue date. The RBI has provided a specific time period for submitting redemption requests, but these data may change if there are unscheduled holidays. Investors should pay attention to the deadlines if they want to redeem their bonds early. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Habis News. Namaskar.